back to DIY RV and Home. Cooking with Greg today. Actually, we're prepping with Greg today. We're getting ready to go camping this weekend, and one of them is going to be some ribs. Some nice ribs here. So, ribs are your choice. Doesn't matter. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get a rub. I'm going to get the rub on, and I'm going to just let that rub sit on it for a couple days. So, when it gets time to cook them, oh, yeah. We are taking along our behemoth of a Instapot. We're going to be doing an Instapot style ribs and finishing them up on the Barbie. But so now I got to make the rub right now, so I thought I'd take you through that part first. So what we got to do is just make sure these things are pat dry. Okay. If the membrane on the back of these is thick, go ahead and you can cut that off. These ones are actually really good. We don't have to worry about cutting them off, everything like that. Before I start grabbing all that stuff, since I touched that raw meat, I'm going to wash my hands. We'll jump right back in. We'll make some rub up. Okay, so now, you want to know my secret recipe? You really want to know my secret recipe as to my rub? I'll tell you, I don't know. I open up my cupboard right over here that's got all my fancy stuff in it. I look through and I say, what do I think would taste good together? Well, I know that I want some brown sugar. That's kind of like a staple. We know that. So I'm going to get me some brown sugar. Put that in the bowl. How much? I don't know. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Okay. You know what? I know what I need to do. Right back. I need a bigger bowl. See? Shh. Don't tell anybody. Put a little extra salt, sugar in there. There we go. I think that'll help. Next, I'm gonna add some salt. Yeah, I'm gonna use iodized. Yeah. Gotta have a little salty savor to it. Ground pepper. Get some ground pepper in it. Now, this right here, add some heat. I'm putting just a little bit in there, okay? Some of the family's not too excited about all the heat. So, take it as hard as you want. I want to put a little bit of cumin in, add a little bit of kind of like a earthy flavor. How about some paprika? Ooh, I like me some paprika. I'm kind of stingy, so there's some smoked paprika. Add some smoked paprika in that. I got some Montreal steak seasoning here. Let's put some of that in there. Let's open the right side. There we go. Some seasoned salt. Get some of that in there. Gotta have garlic. Like I said, you gotta have garlic. Get some garlic in there. The only reason I'm putting that stuff over there is because I know I've used it so far. Doesn't mean I'm not going to put more of it in there. And we got some powdered mustard. Ooh. I'm going to take just a little bit of that, throw that in there too. A little flavor, a little bit of heat. Now, mix this all up and see what it looks like. Give it a sniff. Smells pretty good. Now for you true die-hard barbecuists, ribists, ologists, you might be screaming at me right about now. Saying, oh my Lord, what are you doing? You're destroying the great American pastime of barbecue and ribs, and making a rub that, oh my Lord, you know what? We like it. And I think that's what matters. So what I'm trying to say is don't be shy. Take a chance, make a few mistakes, make you up something. Like I said, I'm going to keep a little bit mild on the heat side. There we go. Now, they're all incorporated. Got a nice flavor. Let's see. Yeah, nice flavor, looks good. So now, there we go. We're gonna put some of this on. Don't be stingy. Not like I am with that paprika. I love paprika. Just get some of that on there. And my goal is hopefully to have some extra, so I can take it with me and then put a little bit more on just before I get ready to cook it, which looks like it's going to work. Oh yeah. Look at that. Still got some left. So that goes in the camper. Now, make sure that's all nice and coated. Go like that. I'm gonna grab something. Oh! Look at that one hand work in action. All right. Now I'm just gonna take and shove that right on into a bag, a Ziploc bag. Take that. Get that in there. Zippy tippy tight. There it is. Now I'm just going to go put that in the refrigerator out in the trailer. Oh, put that in the refrigerator out in the trailer so we don't lose it. I'm going to put this right into that little, right like that, so I can take that with me so I can put a little bit extra on that day. I'm going to let somebody else clean this up. So, now I got to clean this up. So, here, let me. Anyways, my dry rub for the ribs. And yes, I go dry wet because I'm going to put some barbecue sauce on it in the end and all that stuff. But I tell you what, you know, if you don't try, you'll never succeed. Hope you guys enjoyed. Wait a second. We aren't done yet. Watch this. Here's them ribs. They've been marinating for the last couple of days. So we're going to take those out. We are actually going to slice them in half. That way we can fit them into the Instapot a little bit easier. 2 cups of water plus this. Kick it on. We're going to cook them, let's say 45 minutes. And then once that's done, we're going to come back and put them on the barbecue. Whilst I am starting to cut this, honey, would you mind getting another rag or towel or something? Because I know I'm going to need it. So just find you a nice spot to cut the ribs. There we go. Put it upside down so you can see what you're doing. Cut them ribs down. Look at all them juice.
How about we do this?
Okay. Let's try to push that down. Okay, find another spot where we can cut that down. Oh. There we go. Okay. Oh. Ow. Now, folks, we'll swing you around. You'll see it going in and stuff like that. We're going to cut the audio off because we got to fire the generator up and run the generator while we're doing the Instapot. So we'll show you putting it in. We'll be back in about 45 minutes when we're done. All right, 2 cups of water into the pot. Instant pot, that is. Now, this is our house Instant Pot. We're looking at getting one for the trailer specifically, but we forgot one of the key things. The little trivet on the bottom, or whatever they call it, that holds stuff off the bottom. We forgot that. We improvised. We're gonna have ribs tonight. So we just took some toilet paper.
Turned it into aluminum foil.
So we just took a little bit of aluminum foil and rolled it up. Made some funky ears, whatever. We're gonna put those in there. And we'll put the ribs on top of that, and that's how we'll cook it. Here's them ribs. Put that marinade in there. Come on. It's good stuff.
Backwards.
Shh. I've used this before. Okay. Well, now we're going silent. We're going to run this for 45 minutes. Pressure. Okay. It should come out almost falling off the bone and everything like that. But we're going silent because I got to kick the Jenny on now. Pressure cook. Pressure level. Put that on. Ceiling. Pressure, depressurized, come off. Oh, oh-wee. Put it on the rock. Okay. Oh, I tell you what.
Oh man.
Oh, this is gonna be good. Thank goodness we're not feeding the army. Thank good, it's just my wife and I. Oh.
I can smell it from here, honey.
Almost, and the wind's blowing away from her. Almost don't need to put the barbecue. Yeah, we do. We need to put barbecue. Gotta have barbecue. Whoa. Now, normally I do dark top my barbecue sauce, but I'm just gonna use some store-bought, and this one's gonna be a mesquite. You know, there's not a particular barbecue sauce that we go for or anything like that. Kraft is kind of the favorite, but a lot of times I do add to it to make it my own, but not today. I think that marinade's already done enough for it, so let's squeeze on over here. If you want to swing that around, I can turn this one off. That's why I keep saying I gotta get a new one. Mm-hmm. Are you still going?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, those pork ribs sure look good.
All right. I had this thing preheating after we got done. After these got done, and while I was venting, so ready to put these on. Ooh. Folks, I wish you had that smell-o-vision. Oh, it's so good I can't even get the top to work. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah. Make sure you get that barbecue sauce all over it. All over the ground, you know. You gotta let some of them critters get some of that stuff too. You gotta share. Yeah. Okay. Alright, we're gonna let that cook for a little bit.
You gotta flip them over so you can get breakfast stuff on the inside.
Well, I always kind of start one side, let it go for a little bit, then start the other side. But I will do it this way. I will definitely do it. And we're going to still come back and we're still going to flip it some more. And just because you put half the bottle on the first time doesn't mean you can't put more on, right?
We have more.
I know that. Actually, this is mesquite. We have the hickory too. That's the other one. There it is. All right. So we're going to slam the lid down on this. We're going to let it go for about 5 minutes or so. Come back. We'll check it. Probably going to need some more. And then once we think we got enough barbecue sauce on, and we got the right kind of crispiness or burntness or whatever you want to call it, barbecued style, glazed, we're going to take it off and we're going to eat this. So see you in a sec. I did tell you, it's going to fall off the bone. There ain't no meat left on that bone. We'll put that over there, put some barbecue sauce on it, and shh, don't tell anybody. Somebody might eat it. I don't know. Nah, just kidding. But look at that. Falling off the bone. This stuff's almost done, folks. Actually, you know what? Look at that. Look at that. Oh, I'm calling it done. I'm calling this done. I gotta put it off the side, let it sit there and rest for a second. And then go grab all the rest of the food. We'll set the plates up. We'll bring you back. We'll get a taste test. We'll let you know what it tastes like. See if it is Spalda Camper's Life approved. Okay, folks. What do you think?
I couldn't wait, sorry.
Alright, folks. We got our dinner here a little early in the night, but hey, you know, we were hungry. So we got some pork ribs, Instant Pot, then put on the Barbie to finish off with the barbecue sauce. We've got potatoes, onions, zucchini and squash.
Terrible.
They're terrible.
Terrible.
So we're gonna sit down and enjoy our meal, but I gotta pull one of these, get it over and get you a taste test. Tell you what I think. Now I've already taken the liberty of taking a couple bites out of this, and that was good. This is the main thing. And yes, we've got a lot of napkins.
Multiple rolls. That's enough to make a grown woman cry. Once again, you did good, honey.
Sorry about eating in front of you, folks.
I'm not.
Okay. So the thing to take away from this: don't be afraid to experiment. Don't be afraid to open up that cover and say, you know, I like that flavor, that spice, or I want to try that. If you don't try it, you'll never succeed. They're winners. They're winners. So, if you guys enjoyed the video,
please like, share, and subscribe. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, see, I was going to do a cut where I can just cut it out, but so, folks, I tell you what. If you like this video, what do I tell you?
Please like, share, and subscribe.
And I'll see you on the next video. Until then, we're chowing down.